everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a packing video, something that I have not done in a really long time. So if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe if you have not done so already. I have this packed up as if I was going to somebody's house. I don't know, we don't really take the kids out often anymore with everything that's going on. I have this packed up with just essentials that I might need, mostly for my almost 2-year-old. If you want to know all the details and everything, check out my unboxing video that I did on this bag and also on their new trio pouch. If you want to see how I pack up this bag, then just keep on watching. On this magnetic slip pocket, which is an upgrade, I do not have anything in here. I can easily slip my phone, or I can slip in my mask if I need to. So in the side bottle pocket, I have a replay cup. These are awesome. I do have a review on my channel if you guys want to check it out. On the other side, I don't have anything in there at all. In this pocket, I have my keys attached to the key fob. Just wanted to show you guys the back really quick. You have your D-rings, and then you have an extra pocket here on the side that I actually used to put my phone in, which you can still do if you want it in a more secure location instead of that slip pocket in the front. So now for the inside of the bag, you do have 2 zipper pulls here. They go almost all the way down the bag, but not all the way, so that not everything just falls over. So this is an overview of the bag. If you have not seen my unboxing, this is the new lining and I absolutely love it. For the main compartment, I just have my diapering needs. He is still in diapers, and this is in the pouch that comes in the new trio set. So in here I just have some wipes. I have the 12 little changing pad that comes with this bag. This is a really nice changing pad. I've always really liked the changing pads that come in their bags. And then I have some 24-month long sleeve onesie and some pants, and then I have 2 size 4 diapers that I can stick all the way up, so hopefully that gives you kind of perspective on how big this bag is. So right next to that is another one of the pieces that come in their trio, and this is the smallest size. This is our little med kit. So in here I just have my kids masks. I have some arnica because I have needed to use this for bumps. It works really great. I have some triple antibiotic. I have this for my kiddo who gets sick in the car. And in this little pouch here, it's a jujube coin purse. But in here, glasses cleaner, I have a packet of Tylenol, some nail cutters, a nail file because you just never know, some band-aids in here. I have some little mini scissors if I need them. Okay, so in this bucket here, I don't have anything, but you could stuff in your masks in here. I've used this for bibs. You can use pacifiers in here. If you use those formula packets, you can definitely fit them in here. And then on this side, I have a little cute mouse pouch. I have Carmex, and then I have this little lip balm from Neutrogena. I have some cutie bands in here, and yeah, so this is just a little pouch for myself. In this back zipper pocket, some toothpicks and a pen. Back here in this pocket, I just have a change of undies for both of my kiddos and some pants in 5T. I have them there because for a long time I was not carrying this, and then the other day it happened that we were out. We had an accident, so we had to go home, and thankfully I had my nursing cover. Use that to keep them covered. And I didn't have a change of clothes, so now I'm going to carry one because you just never know. In these 2 front pockets, I have a Bumpkins bib, and I love their Toy Story line. It's so cute. In this pocket, I have this little snack cup. It's a foldable snack cup with a lid, and I actually got this on Amazon, so I will link everything that you see in here down below in case you want to check it out. So that is everything that was packed up in this bag. Now I'm going to repack it all back up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.